What is going on, Rocket Lab investors? So today we got some news about Cathie Wood and her Rocket Lab investment. But first, we are at, well, I should say the day closed at $9.23 and we are at $9.06. So it looks like everyone is taking their profits with Rocket Lab, which is kind of to be expected when you have a massive run up like that. It really sucks when this kind of stuff happens, but unfortunately it is to be expected. Now, where do I think this is going to go? And I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions, so please comment down below. It will definitely help the channel, will help the community, but I kind of think we're leaning more that it's going to keep dropping gradually, not extremely fast, but I think eventually we're going to hit the $7 range, and hopefully that will be our new bottom compared to before where it was $4 to $5. If I had to guess, it's probably going to linger around 7 to 8 now. If it goes back down to 5, that would be awesome because that would allow me to pick up more for cheap. And I am really invested in Rocket Lab. If I could throw every cent that I had at Rocket Lab, I would. I truly believe in the company and I truly believe in Peter Beck. I think Rocket Lab has a beautiful business and I think it's going to grow drastically. Now, whether we hit $50 one day or more, a realistic number will be anywhere from $20 to $30. So that's why I want to kind of accumulate as much as possible in case we only max out at $20. I'll still make a nice chunk of change, which isn't that much compared to probably you or many investors on Reddit. Seems like everyone has 10,000 shares or more. I'm a small fish, but I really believe in the company, so I wouldn't be surprised if we go down. And I would love to hear where you think we're going to hit. Do you think it's going to be the $7 range, or do you think we're going to go back to the $5 range? But anyways, let's see what happened with Cathie Wood. So I really like Cathie Wood. I don't understand the hate that she gets. A lot of people say that she's a bad investor. I think she's extremely successful. She's going to have a lot of misses. That's what it kind of is to be expected when you're investing in stocks. But this one really saddens me. So Cathie Wood's ARK ETF adjusts holdings, selling Rocket Lab stock. So Monday, September 30th, 2024, it looks like the ARK ETF sold 36,141 shares of Rocket Lab for a total of $353,458. So that really saddens me because I absolutely love that Cathie Wood was invested in Rocket Lab. We need some kind of billionaire like Cathie Wood. I don't actually think she's a billionaire. We need some rich investor like Cathie Wood to really take a stance behind Rocket Lab, because that brings me comfort knowing that I'm invested in the same thing that they're invested in. Like if you look at what's his name, Ron Barron or Barron, whatever his first name is, he backs Elon Musk like no other, and Elon has made him a very rich person. He's invested heavily in SpaceX, and we need someone like that. And I thought Cathie Wood was going to be kind of that public figure that hits the news, talks about how she loves Rocket Lab just like she does with Tesla. So it's really sad that we see a sale, but she's here to make money for her clients, so maybe she'll buy in at a lower price. I'm really hoping that happens, and I'm really hoping one day that she really just goes balls to the walls crazy and invests a ton of money, because then I think a lot of other people will follow. And that will kind of give credit to Rocket Lab that they deserve, and it really would help with advertising and just attract new investors. So this is just a portion of what she owns. I'll make another dedicated video on how much she has in the future, but like I said before, this is kind of to be expected, and I'd love to hear how you feel about this. Are you disappointed? Do you expect this to be the normal? And yeah, I want to see where you think the stock's going to go. I truly appreciate you watching. This is a new channel. Any support, likes, comments really go a long way. I truly do appreciate it. But as always, please do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.